Good morning, guys. Good morning. Good morning. Welcome to JA Pigeon Love. My bird got eggs right there. Some new flyers are getting ready to bake. You know? Yeah. My birds, check them out. My grizzle. So now, guys, this morning, I was surprised. I came in this morning and I see a surprise morning. Look. One more flyer. Baby, you know? Yeah. Check the egg. Like this egg doesn't good. You only got one baby this time. This egg doesn't good. I don't see no crack or anything. Doesn't good. Only one baby. Purpose. But we're gonna put with the egg and see something. You know? Yeah. We'll give it until tomorrow. We'll take it out. So check out the baby. So this one right here, I'm gonna put with my flyers. When you get a little more bigger, I'll put it with my flyers. Yeah, I got more too. Check it out. See? I got two more right there. That'll be my flyers. Check them out. And my babies right here, they got eggs too. So if anybody wants any Chinese owl pigeons, we are available. You know? Yeah, we got more. So if you guys need any, they're sitting on eggs right now. So if you guys need any, just contact me. We are located in New Jersey. And please, guys, I'm asking you guys to hit the subscription button and like, comments, and share. Please and thank you. Because I'm trying to build my YouTube channel. So I need a lot more subscribers. Please and thank you.